Hello children, welcome to your science class. You all know we are learning chapter 10 motion and measurement of distances of your NCRT science textbook. I hope you all are following the lesson till now and trying to do the activities we are discussing because children learning the topics by doing them practically will give you more understanding and application of that particular concept. Let's proceed into today's class. Like in every class we do, let's recall what we have learned till now. We learned what is measurement, how it is applied for moving objects and for calculating distances. In this process, we learned the story of transport. We learned how to measure objects and distances by learning some activities. We have also learned some ancient measurements to the present day SI units. In the previous class, we have also learned certain rules for correct measurement of lengths. In today's class, we are going to learn about measuring the length of a curved line. Till now, we have got an idea about how to measure straight objects, but what about curved lines and other things which are not usually straight? Children, can we measure a curved line length using a meter scale? The answer is no, absolutely no. We cannot. For that purpose, we use a thread. We use a thread to measure the length of a curved line. Let's understand this concept by learning through an activity. First, mark the endpoints of the curved line as A and B from where to where you would like to measure on the curved line. Then take a thread and put a knot on the thread at one of its ends. Now you will put the knot on point A. That means you will place the thread end with the knot at point A of the curved line. Now fix the knot end of the thread at point A and place a small portion of the thread along the curved line exactly through its way. You should not disturb from its way. You should place a small portion of the thread along the curved line exactly through its way using your fingers promptly to give a firm extent of thread on the curved line. Every time, hold the thread at end point you have measured with one hand and proceed the same until you reach point B. As said, go through the process exactly with the thread on the curved line only till the other end of the curved line is reached, that is point B. Now mark on the thread where it has reached the end point B on the curved line. Now place a meter scale on a plane surface and stretch the thread along the meter scale. You will measure the length of the thread between the knot and the marking given on the thread where it has reached point B. Now, this measurement of thread will be the length of the curved line AB. As it is a curved line and you are measuring it with a thread, measuring its length with a thread, A lot of care should be taken to measure the lengths correctly. As the thread cannot give standard units of length of measurement of the curved line, you always need a proper scale or a ruler scale with readings marked on it for conveying correct results to others in centimeters or meters. Now pause the video and get a pencil, paper, thread, scale to do this activity practically now itself. Resume the video after you are ready to do the activity. Now that you are ready with the material, first on a piece of paper, draw a curved line of your choice. It can be any curved line. And mark its ends as A and B. Now take the thread into your hands and put a knot on the thread at one end like you see in the image in step 1. Take the thread into your hands and put a knot on the thread at one end. In step 2, you can see that you will place the knot at the beginning of the line, that is at point A. In the next step, that is third step, check properly that you place the knot exactly at point A and have pressed it with your thumb. Seize it at that point with your thumb. Now, place a small portion of the thread along the curved line and press the other end of the portion with your another finger. Now this position will be starting point for continuation of measuring along the curved line. From there, now again place a small portion of the thread along the curved line and press it at the points at regular intervals and continue from there along the curved line until you reach point B. Like you see here in step 6, the thread should be measured in that way along the curved line until to point B. And at point B, you will be giving a small marking. As said, at point B, give a small marking. Now, the length between the knot at point A on the thread to the marking at point B on the thread should be measured on the ruler scale. From the materials, you have brought the ruler scale. Now, take your ruler scale and place it on a plain surface and place the thread just above the markings of the ruler scale and measure the thread along its length between the said markings, that is from the knot placed to the marking you have marked on the thread. Children, now note down your observation seen on the ruler scale. This will be the length of the curved line. So now you have measured the length of the curved line. In this way, you can measure a curved line using a thread. We'll continue this chapter in the next class, children. Thank you.